Hello guys. As you know, Philippine government now trying to fight with scammers by registering SIM cards. And I decided to make my own video about how to avoid scam and how to protect yourself from stealing money and personal data. The first rule is don't share your personal data if it's not necessary. I know in modern world it's really hard to avoid sharing your personal data because every site, every app, every platform asking for your name, email, address, phone, and so on. So you can just create second email and buy another SIM card, use fake name, and you will know that if someone will call you on that phone or will message you on that email, it probably will be scam because it wouldn't be your personal email or personal phone number. Be skeptical. Don't fall for pressure tactics. Scammers often try to make you feel stressed and rushed, so you will make your decisions quickly without thinking. Check the information provided and take your time to think about it before making any decisions. Google new information and similar situations to see if it's scam or not. If you have to open site you don't know, I recommend you to use another device. You can resend this link to a new email and open new email on another device like your old phone. But do factory reset before use it because you need to clean your passwords, your photos, your personal data or whatever. So firstly make a factory reset and then open this site on another device. So that will reduce risk that your personal data will be stolen. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it's probably scam. Be aware that scammers often try to manipulate you by using feelings like fear, compassion, and greed. Avoid links with free offers, even from your friends, because your friend can be hacked, so it's not his recommendation, it's just hacker's site or platform. Always check the name of familiar site. Is it right correctly? Because sometimes scammers use similar sites to original. For example, instead of Facebook, it could be Facebook, and there will be exactly the same page as original Facebook, but your personal data will be in scammers platform. Don't click on suspicious buttons and links, but if you have to do it, firstly copy this address of the link, then paste it in Note program, which doesn't support links. Then you will see your link as original text, and this text you can paste in browser because it's often when address of the link is different from title of the link. Keep your devices updated. I watched one guy, he's from big security company, and he explained why you should update your devices, because maybe you saw already when a software developer updates their software, they mostly write description about new and what bugs were fixed. So all hackers and scammers immediately go to old version and know all bugs they had before. That's why it's so important to update your PC, update your phones and other devices. Be aware that scammers can fake numbers. So if you see someone you know calls you, but then you hear some weird story, try to at least call back this person to reduce risk of being scammed by this type of scammers. If you see a number you don't know but you have to answer it, for example because of your work, you can use caller identification app such as Truecaller. I use it, I can recommend it to you. They don't pay me, and I don't affiliate with them. I just use it because it's very easy to use, and they have really big database of scam numbers. So when some scammers call me, I immediately see that it's scam call. But you can find another in a Play Market or App Store. Don't trust anyone who contacts you unexpectedly, because mostly it's scammers. It happened just recently with my Filipino friend from US. One guy tried to scam her, telling her that he's a 4-star general and asking for money, telling some sad story. So she just checked facts he provided, and she found out that it's a scammer. So be aware of this type of scammers, and check information before trust it. Be careful about shopping scam. They can make a website, online store with super cheap prices and a lot of reviews, but it will be fake. So check reviews on another platforms about the sites, and you can find stories from other users who already found that it's a scam platform and not real online store. Be alert for job scams. If someone asks for money to give you a job, it's probably scam. In the end of the video, I want to say that scammers and stealing money, it's some kind of art. So they can be creative, they can create new techniques and use combination of these techniques to steal money from you. That's why you need to be skeptical, because it's the best you can do to protect yourself and your money from being scammed. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. See you. Bye.